Do you want to see me cut into this soap loaf? In today's video, we're going to be cutting into this soap loaf, which is inspired by Ombre Blues. Stay tuned to see how this soap comes out. Grab a snack, grab a drink. Let's get into the video. Boom, wake it up, boom, just wake up your butt. Hello and good day, good evening, good night. My name is Natasha, and in today's video, I am attempting ombre colors to make this soap. Last time I did a couple of videos doing a lunar swirl, and I just wanted to do a soap where I just ombre the colors out to see what I get, and I was pleasantly surprised by the results of this soap. So hopefully you guys will enjoy this video. If you are a existing subscriber, thank you so much. If you're just stopping by to watch, you are welcome. We keep it positive over here. If you're not sure, that's okay. Just watch my video. I like to have fun and just vibe out. You'll see the mistakes, you'll see the perfection, you'll see the whole process over here. And been liking and sharing this video, thank you so much. Some of you guys actually have been reviewing some of my products on Instagram. I appreciate you, beyond appreciate you. So let's get into this video. So pretty much, you guys, all I'm really doing is taking a color and adding color to it to either lighten it or darken it. So for the first half, you saw I started out with white, and I wanted to actually slowly darken it to the blue, because one time I did the soap and I started with blue and I tried to do it to the white and I didn't like the results. So I started out with white and I went out to the blue. Then I try to put like an accent color in the middle, which is the green, and then teal color to the white, so forth and such. Now the brown, you know, he's like an outlier. I didn't have no plan for the brown, but this is such a beautiful color. Do you see like the specks inside of it? This color, this mica, I think it's called Supernova. I think it will be a beautiful color to use for like a type of like one of those wood grain soaps. But I am not afraid of color. I am not afraid of color. It's soap. It's soap, you guys. It's beautiful regardless. I don't care. So now I am just trying to do the tops on here. I'm filling in what I can, and then I'm going to do the tops. Now this swirl I did, it was cute and everything, but I didn't think about how it would look when I cut the soap. Now, if I was cutting this across, this would look cute, but I didn't cut it across. I cut it vertical, so that little design thing didn't come out. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Mistakes happen. Now I'm doing the tops. My soap started to set up. You guys, I used tobacco and Bayleaf for my fragrance. This has got to be my top, one of my top or masculine scented fragrances. I love tobacco and Bayleaf. I'm sorry. I love it, love it, love it. And that's what's scenting this soap. And it set up a little bit. And I believe the reason why my soap started to get solid is because I started soaping this at a lower temperature than usual. So guys, when I usually soap, I usually like to stay in the 80 degrees Fahrenheit range. So between 82 to 89 degrees Fahrenheit, I like to play in that range for the soap and for the oil and the lye. This time I was at 79 and 77 degrees, so everything started to set up a little quick, but it's okay. I was able to save it. Are y'all be seeing what I be saying? I know y'all be seeing what I be saying. That gold look nice. It's glistening on top of that soap. The light blues into the dark blues, into the ombre, into the greens. The green is a bit bright for me, but that's okay. Let's cut this soap. I want to see what the design came out in the soap. Next day, boom, look how the soap came out. The colors are not as vivid, but that is okay. She's nice and solid. You guys tell me what you think, but I'm getting underwater seabed vibes from this soap, or mountain view. I don't know. So are you guys ready for this soap cut? All right now, hold on to your crayfish and tilapia. Boom, wow, wow, wow. Look at the ombre, you guys. Look how the gradients start. Look how it's kind of starting with the white, and then it gradually goes into the dark blue. I kind of wished I stretched out that gradient a little more. And then you have the accent line for the green, which is okay. I wish it was a little thinner. And then you go straight into that turquoise. It starts off dark, and then it starts to go off light ombre again. And we got another accent line. Now look at the brown. The brown is definitely giving me earth, like mountain, earth. I'm not sure, but it's giving me ground, earth, mountain, land. The blues, of course, the darker blue is giving me water, underwater. The light blue is giving me sky. It's a beautiful soap. Once we clean up the soap, it's really gonna pop, because if you guys don't know, it's like when you cut it, it's like, oh, it's nice, but then when you start cleaning up the soap, it starts popping. And as you can see, that little line thing I did didn't really come. That design I did at the top, it didn't come through. But let me tell you, this soap is very, very interesting, creative, abstract. I don't know. So now you're gonna see me actually, putting on the shoes and giving the soap a little haircut and putting some aftershave on. And look at that. Look how that just shapes it. It just makes it. It just turns it into something different when you can polish your soap bar. This looks nice, guys. Now, doesn't that look a lot better after you shaped it up and polished him up and gave him a haircut and was like, come on, brush your teeth, put some beard oil in an old crusty, rusty beard, make sure you wash the beard, let's go, let's get the sexy on, you got it in you, sir, let's go. And the scent is just off the chain. You gotta get tobacco and Bayleaf. I love how the top looks textured, like it looks like there's an indentation that gives it an extra added uniqueness to it. I would like to do this again. I think I can do better, guys. I think that I can make this design pop a little better. Okay, it's a nice soap, it's cute, it's creative, but I think I can do better. I'm challenging myself to do better, to figure out a better way to incorporate the brown, to figure out a better way to incorporate the green, or not. But I love how the soap came out, and it smells delicious. And excuse me, please watch more videos, because YouTube be bugging out with the algorithm. And guys, click the notification bell, because a lot of subscribers are saying they're not getting a notification. So make sure your bell is clicked. Protect your energy. Thanks for watching. And I know I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.